Your video too dark or too dull, but you don't want to retake it? Don't worry! With Filmora's Relight feature, you can easily adjust the lighting in just a few clicks. Let's get started. This feature works with both videos and static pictures. For example, this photo looks nice, but the lighting feels a bit gloomy because of the cloudy sky. Luckily, we can fix that with Filmora Relight. First, select your clip, then scroll down until you see Relight and turn it on. You'll see 3 options: facial, ambient, and presets. You can choose whichever one you think works best for your clip. Just like that, you can relight your pictures or videos in only a few clicks. Pretty cool, right? Let's compare the before and after. Now for another example, this video was shot outside, but the lighting looks a bit gray and I want to bring out warmer tones. We'll use Relight again, but this time we'll create our own lighting instead of using a preset. Go to Presets and click Add. A small ball will appear on your video. That's your new light source. You can move it anywhere you want to control where the light comes from. You can also choose the light type, either directional or point. Of course, you can change the color of the light as well. Another useful feature is choosing what the light affects. You can apply it to the background, the people, or both. You can fine-tune the lighting by adjusting things like intensity, light radius, and highlights. If one light isn't enough, you can even add multiple light sources. And that's it! Now let's check out the before and after. Now, let's look at another example. This picture's lighting is all right, but the person in the photo is too dark to see clearly. Instead of brightening the whole picture and ruining the background, we can relight just the person. First, select your clip and turn on Relight just like before. This time, we'll focus on adjusting the lighting for the subject only. Go to Presets and click Add. Position the light so it shines toward the person in the frame. Now set the light to affect people only instead of the background. You can then adjust the intensity, radius, and highlights until the lighting looks natural and balanced. Let's take a look at the before and after. Now let's learn how to recreate the red and blue ambient lighting. Turn on Relight, then go to Ambient and use this preset. You can fine-tune both lights by adjusting the intensity, radius, and highlights until the red and blue lighting blend naturally on your subject. Now, let's take this police light effect even further by making the lights move. First, add a keyframe to position X. Then move your playhead forward and adjust position X again. Repeat this to make the light move left and right. Let's see the result. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.